You know, we can go on a photo walk and walk past the same location, and you're going to see maybe 20 to 30 different photographs. And that's the great unique thing about photography. It's a universal language, but everybody sees things differently.
Right, so Brendan, we've just been out and about, walking the streets of London, taking photographs. Why were we not in a classroom learning properly?
Okay, well, I suppose to learn properly with photography, it's a bit like learning how to swim in a classroom. You got to get out and you got to get into a visual landscape. And I suppose the streets of London are rich visually. And to put into practice what we're doing in the classroom, getting out is a great opportunity to, you know, kind of experiment and to get creative. And to see what can be seen and how to see it. I think that it's all about expression, it's all about personal interest and getting used to trying to see what you want to capture yourself. I think with mobile it's a great thing because everybody's got a mobile device with them.
What is it for?
We just came from like a photography, video, media down the street, so we're all friends. Get 4 or 5 of us together, video guys, photographer guys, journalist guys, so anything that we like, we just want to do it.
Enjoy.
The one thing about that I would say about it is that it's fun. It's enjoyable, it's that you're getting out and that, you know, we can go on a photo walk and walk past the same location and you're going to see maybe 20 to 30 different photographs on that. And that's the great unique thing about photography. It's a universal language, but everybody sees things differently. Everybody will, you know, carve out and craft their own composition from it. And ultimately, it's something that's going to give you a bit of personal satisfaction. And it is frustrating, but that's a motivating thing. But ultimately, it's satisfaction and it's enjoyment. And that's what it is. Yeah.
Excellent, love it, thank you.
Thank you as well.